Take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, power front seats, heated front and rear seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and voice-activated navigation. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.